I want to talk a bit about the court case that we were involved in with respect to an 11-year-old girl in our community who has leukemia and was taking chemotherapy at McMaster. Her family had decided that they didn't want her to take chemo anymore, and they were searching for alternative therapy as well as wanting to use traditional medicine. The doctors at McMaster Children's Hospital decided that this was neglect on the part of the family, and they wanted the Children's Aid Society to apprehend the child. The Children's Aid Society refused, and the whole issue ended up in a court in Brantford, in the Superior Court. Six Nations Elected Council was named in the suit because whenever there is a child welfare case in the court involving our kids, we always send our band reps up there. So this court case has been going on for some time, and the decision just came down today, and we are viewing it as a success because the application from McMaster's Hospital was dismissed, and the judge found that the right to use our Aboriginal right to use traditional medicine is recognized. And so we're very helpful for that. The family is very glad that, you know, the child's not going to be apprehended, and we can continue to use the traditional medicine. And I think this is an important win, not only for our community, but for all First Nations across the country, to have a court recognize that we have the Aboriginal right to use our own traditional medicine. So that was a good news project for today. On the project skateboard, the cement has been laid at the project skateboard, and it can be used. Individuals do have to use this park at their own risk, and we encourage everyone to please take care of it. Also note that mountain bikes are not allowed to be used on the skateboard. I encourage everybody to look after it, because the kids that are running it have worked so hard to raise the money to get it built. They still need to raise a little bit more for landscaping, but kudos to them for doing that, and let's all support them and keep it in a good shape for them. They hope to have the grand opening in June of 2015. Celebrations. We do have celebrations tomorrow. We got the Santa Claus Parade. The annual Santa Claus Parade is taking place, and immediately following that, we're having our huge lacrosse community celebration to celebrate our 4 lacrosse teams who went on to all were Ontario champions, and 3 were national champions. That's the Arrows, Six Nations Arrows, the Rebels, the Rivermen, and the Chiefs. We're having a potluck dinner at the community hall at 3. Please bring your food by 2. We have flyers out which will tell you what each district is required to bring. I think it's going to be a fine celebration for us, and the reason we went to a potluck is so that the community could feel that they're participating in this event. And later that evening there will be a dance held in Brantford at the Hungarian Place. I also want to acknowledge all of the daycare staff. Last weekend I attended their annual Peace Conference, which was held in Windsor, and was very pleased to see that so many of them received awards for various things, for excellence in their job and for years of service. I particularly want to mention Yvette Martin, who has had over 25 years of service, and Sherry Lickers-Earl, who has over 35 years of service with our daycares. So I think we can all rest assured that our little ones are in safe hands.